Hey guys, welcome back to Cook You Bastards, helping newbies kick ass in the kitchen. You know, one of the great things about where I live up here in the Hudson Valley is I get to work in the city, but I come up here and when the season's right, like it is right about now, I can get like all my meat, all my veggies, beer, cheese, you name it, all made within about 5 or 10 mile radius. You know, most of it even closer, which is awesome. And this time of year, one of my favorite things is corn. Corn's super easy, and if you can get it fresh, locally grown, it's usually like amazing. The best thing to do is not to fuck around with it too much. I mean, I'm a big fan of elote, but sometimes you want to just do things really, really simple, and this would be one of them. Last night, our farm stand corn stuck to our teeth. That wasn't so good. So let's take a look at what you want with your corn. First of all, you know, you pull it down the top at the store, and if it's withered, like this guy is, that's no good. Or if you don't see anything milky coming out of the kernels, that's no good too. This guy looks a lot better. That's good stuff. All you need, some water, some salt, and some butter. So we get the water boiling. While that guy's heating, I'm gonna shuck these babies. I throw in a handful of salt. Just, you know, handful, tablespoon or two, just to season the water. Drop your corn in. And then we're gonna boil it for exactly 7 minutes. For me, this is the sweet spot. Like if you got good, fresh, local corn, it's sweet, it's crunchy, 7 minutes nails it. Unless it's gonna be a few minutes before people start digging into it, right? If you have a whole bunch of people over, you're gonna set the table, put everything out, it takes a while for them to get there. Then pull it early, pull it at 6 minutes. And that's true with a lot of stuff. And when you do that, that's a level up, my friend. Your cooking game just got a lot better because when you pull stuff early, let it finish cooking as you're getting it to the table, as you're serving it, then it's perfect when your guests dig into it. On the other hand, you're not being paid, so, you know, as long as it tastes good, it's fine. We're gonna wait 7 minutes. We sure are. 7 minutes. You know, it's interesting that the kind of withered one is really pale, and the good looking one is a much more robust color. I don't know if that's because of sugars in there or what, or maybe it means absolutely nothing. So all this needs is some decent butter. We'll sprinkle salt. Sprinkle high, that way it distributes evenly. Chow down. Oh man, that's perfect. That's way better than we had last night. Each kernel like explodes in your mouth. Really, really sweet. Anyway, corn, boil it, salted water, 7 minutes, boom, you're done, easy peasy. Guys, if you like this, please subscribe. Please check out my webpage at cookyouBastards.com. My kit page, kit.com, Cook You Bastards, has all the gear that I use, both to shoot and to cook. And have a hell of a time, guys. Cheers.